What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with yet another insane mystery box. Now, I don't know exact numbers on how big this box is. I know it is upwards of $50,000+. Now, the reason I don't really know the value of it is because my buddy Miller over at Miller Subscription hit me up and he said, look, I have an insane mystery box that I want to send out to you, but you have to make sure to mute my Instagram and not look at my page for the next couple of days before I send it out to you. And I said, no worries, let's go ahead and do it. So today it arrived. He overnighted this insane mystery box and I'm so excited to see what's inside. So obviously, attribute to the box, a lot of fragile stuff over it. It looks like a typical size box. Now, I'm not going to forget the knife today to unbox this because we have it held by our bear brick over here. Thank you very much. So we're gonna be unboxing this. Oof. I know there's a giveaway in here as well. There's gonna be a giveaway within this video. Let's just get into it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because, as I'm waving this, subscribe to the channel because we have some boxes. We might have the record-breaking box coming soon, the 250K box, so don't miss that. Leave a like if you're ready for that. Let's just go ahead, let's open this up and see what we have. Wow, I feel like I haven't done like a mystery box like this caliber in a long time. It's been a minute. All right, let's go. Let's get a peek of what's inside and kind of, you know, I can tell boxes by looking at them, but we'll just see what we can do. Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa. I see a box with a G on it, so I think I need to giveaway. I'll give you guys a peek. You can see, I'm seeing some familiar boxes. So we have an two SB boxes, three SB. Okay. I kind of know what this one is, and I think. All right. I see a very similar box back there. This is I would assume, this is definitely CBFM, but I don't know if it's the Friends and Family. If you can't see, but the Swarovski crystal on there. Now, I've had the green pair, and I now have the platinum pair. I feel like they have the same box. All right, let's open this up and see what we have. So, Air Sunshine, Swarovski crystals on there, which is a crystal shoe, and we have the kind of like little dust bag that comes with it. I still can't see the color. This comes with it so you can put the sneakers in there. Then we have, it looks like the platinum pair, a brand new dead stock pair of the platinum CPFMs. These were going in the $4,000 range. I believe they're in like the mid threes to low threes now. But if you guys don't know, my pair I've actually worn a lot. Look at the difference. I've worn these and not one crystal's fallen off. I've worn these probably 10 times now. I've flew with them to LA in a suitcase and they still are going strong. So this quality that they put these together with, one of my favorite shoes that I've ever owned, just because of how crazy it is. Like, you guys might not be able to tell here, but like the way the crystals move is incredible. So we're starting off with a banger. It comes with the little hang tag, the smiley face. Then obviously we have the second pair. Now we'll put these to the side. I'm seeing like a couple pairs within some bubble wrap. So the bubble wrap is what may be fun for us. So let's put that to the side. Those ones are size 9.5. So probably a little more expensive size. So let's see, we have the giveaway. Let's pull, should we do the giveaway next or this one? This one right here is an SB box, size 10.5. I wonder if this is like a chunky donkey or what other ones have come out with this box? The Supremes are in a different. All right, let's just see. We have a pair of What the P rods in a size 10.5. Wow, this is one of my favorite shoes that has come out in a long, this is one of my tops of 2020. I'm such a big fan of P-Rod. I grew up skateboarding and watching him skateboard, and this is just insane that it came out. If you guys don't know, What the Dunks are like the origination of this. This is the What the Paul with Paul Rodriguez's own version of it. Now, I have two pairs of these currently. I have an 11.5 and I also have an 11, and now I have a 10.5. So if you're able to get the 11.5 on StockX, we got the other pair at a shoe store and paid less at the shoe store. These are now in the $1,000 range, I believe, 900 to 1,000. So that's solid right there. Well, that one's not as current, but two familiar sneakers. So let's keep going. Let's go to the giveaway. This is a purple SB box. I think this is a Supreme Dunk. This is a size 13 blue Supreme Dunk. Yup, there we go. So this is one to give away to you guys. Now, what you do, oh my God, I just saw a box and it looks pretty crazy. Now, what you do with these sneakers when you get them, if you can fit them, if you can't, you can sell them, make the money, whatever you guys want to do. So let me cut to the giveaway segment really quick. All right, guys, so we're giving away this Nike Supreme SB Dunk right here in the blue colorway. Very simple giveaway. All you have to do for this giveaway is you have to, 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel that you're on right here. Number 2, follow me at harrisonnevel on Instagram. Number 3, follow Miller and Miller Subscription on Instagram, which will be linked down below. And then 4, leave a comment on the post-its up on the screen of me holding these sneakers. We're picking a winner in 2 weeks time for this pair right here. You guys can make a couple $1,000 off of them. If you're your size, you can rock them. It's been a minute since we did a big one like this, so don't miss out on that opportunity. All right, we're 3 pairs deep. Now, I really don't want to look in the bubble wrap. I don't know what's in the bubble wrap. There's multiple pairs, whatever, but I don't want to look. But there's 2 more boxes on top. There's like a special box, and then there's this one. Now, this is a Travis Scott box, either a 1 or a 1 low. We've seen a lot of these in our day. These are a size 9.5 as well. Let's see which ones we have, and it is the highs. This is like one of the greater Jordan 1s of all time, in my opinion. They're awesome. I have a dead stock pair up there. I had a pair that I beat into the ground, but I have not worn the new pair that I have. I don't know, I just feel like I wore them so long. So this is a dead stock 9.5, probably in the 1,500, 1,700 range maybe. But one that'll never get old. And how many, we've had to have had 50 pairs on this channel, maybe? Like, I don't know. I feel like it has to be. So we have 4 so far. There's 1 more and then the wrapping. I really don't want to look at the wrapping, so I'm gonna pull this out. So this is cool. This is a cool box. I think we've seen these once ever before on this channel, and that is a Nike SB Travis Scott with the special box. Now, this is a size 9, or no, women's 10.5, men's 9, and we have, if you can't tell what these are, this is the Travis Scott Nike SB Dunks. This is a sneaker that has shot up in value. They were initially going for like $600-700. Now they're in the freaking $2,000 range. And with the special box, I don't even know what the price range is on these, on the special box. But these are really cool because if you don't know, this material here is able to be worn off. You can like cut it away and it reveals the kind of Cactus Jack type logo underneath. And this is cool. It's got plaid, pink swoosh on the inside. You guys have all seen these, but the special box, the only difference with the shoe in general is the box for the special friends and family. And it has kind of like the bandana, pink Nike SB, the pink bandana on the sides, bandana on the bottom, and then the brown bandana on the side. That's it. It's just the box to display. It's kind of like the Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunky Special Edition box. The only difference between the pairs is the box. Like the shoes themselves are the exact same. So let's go ahead and see final. I guess it might be the final. In wrapping, I assume it's the big boy. As we go to the final item, the totals of what we have, 10 to 12K. Probably 12.5. So that means whatever's on the bottom of this box has to be like 30-something thousand dollars. And I know Miller has some like crazy connects. I've seen him with, I think he has both Travis Scott Friends and Family of the 4s, the purple pair, the elusive pair that I got rid of, the tan pair. Maybe it's the tan pair. I don't want, if it's that, I gotta believe that because I don't want that to like ruin the surprise. But let's just see. I'm like, I don't know. All right, I'm like nervous to see what's inside. Okay. All right, wait. Huh? Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I don't know how to describe what, I really don't know how to describe what I can't really see much. All right, I'm gonna let you guys quickly see inside real quick. All right, that's what I saw. Hold on, I'm confused. I need to see if I can pull this out. Oh, it's coming out. There's literally no way that this is... Okay. I don't want to think, like, be wrong, but, like, there's actually no way that this could... So if I'm right in what we just saw, there would only be 24 pairs of these in the world. 24 pairs of these. There's actually no way. I've only seen literally one other person in the world with these. I think it is. Hold on. That's all that's in there. This cannot actually be what I think it is. Like, genuinely. Oh my... Hold on. Hold on. I just saw... If you can't see this right here... That's a... This can't be it. Nike Dunk Low, Cactus Jack, X PlayStation. This is the rarest pair of shoes I've ever seen. If this is him, unless it's a troll. This is the rarest pair of shoes we've ever had. There's only 24 of these made in the world. I don't understand how this is possible. I thought each of these pairs were given away. Oh my. All right, let's see what, So there's PlayStation on the top. Oh my god. This is crazy. This can't, I can't fathom this. I genuinely thought it would be difficult to ever one-up the shoes that we've had on this channel. But I do not think there's a rarer shoe that we've had. Nick, would you attest to this?
I don't think we've had a rarer shoe than that.
I don't think so. The Travis Friends and Family 4s. I don't see how this is possible. This is in my possession. I genuinely never thought I'd see these. I commented on Travis Scott's post, like, if you give me a pair, I'll wrap my car in Cactus Jack or something, but this is crazy. Nike Dunk Low Cactus Jack X PlayStation for friends and family only. Zoom in on that. Look at that right there. I don't want to open that yet. So I guess these were a teaser. The Cactus Jacks, the Travis Scott's for this. Oh, holy. I have not seen this box. Only thing I've seen is, you guys know Sneaker Den. He had a pair, or he got a pair like when they first announced them, and my mind was blown. I don't know how he got them, and I guess he's got connections. Now Miller also has connections. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is like the size of a PS5 box. This is insane. So there's the PlayStation Dunk. The value of this sneaker, I can't imagine. So that's the front, Cactus Jack, Nike Dunk Low, Cactus Jack sneakers right there, and then PlayStation logo. On the side here, same thing, but it's got photos of the shoe. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Oh, it says Sony on the back. Here's the back. Oh, we have a sticky note. Jack here, wanted to give you a small token of appreciation for rocking with me for so long. Family only. Is that to me? Does Travis Scott know who I am? Yes, to me. Oh, I'm just kidding. That's not from Travis Scott to me. Not at all. Got me thinking about how important it is to look back. So wait, is this for a giveaway, or is this only when making moves forward? Growing up, I was spinning discs on PlayStation, collecting dunks. Now we've been building the future in real time. Had a vision, linked up with the crew, made it happen. Mold the game together. Y'all are family, and we are the new pioneers. Never forget to take a day off on your way up. Enjoy these times, never let up. From H-Town to the world, appreciate the gang. All up, TS, PSU and Utopia. Drop Utopia. This is covered up. I don't know if I'm allowed, like, if that means I can't show it. Oh. I cannot show that. All right, I have to be careful. I gotta be careful with that. Okay, let's see. Now, inside it would be cool if there's like a PlayStation box, but let's see what's all in this packaging. So I see some bubble wrap, or no, just, oh. Huh, that's less exciting than I thought it would be. You have 2 styrofoams and like a cardboard box in the middle. Looks like just regular cardboard. Yeah. And then pull this out. Inside, that's it. Just a brown box. Dude, this is insane. Almost had a mishap there. The tape was right there. Let's put this to the side. I genuinely didn't know if we would ever get like, we've had, what did we have from the Project Blitz box? We had some like Drake, Jordan 11s, but I think this tops it. So let's see. Okay. Oh, wait. I think it's an inside out box. Yeah, I think it's the inside out. It's like the off-white. Oh, let's see what this says. TSPS Dunk, men's 10, women's 11.5, the Builder Lab, Beaverton, Oregon, Builder Lab. So I think these are specifically like tailored, but ordered or specifically made for 24 pairs only. So let's see what we have in here. Just a regular older orange Nike box. Let's see the pairs. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Even the colorway. Oh. How are these in my hand? Like, genuinely. Pull up the second pair. These are a men's 10. There's something a little different about these. So since this is kind of like a one-off project, I feel like it's a little bit like different materials and stuff just from like my initial, like it doesn't feel like a traditional dunk or anything. Now let's just look at some of the, you know, normal features. Obviously we have the backward swoosh here, like a lighter blue. We have kind of like a canvas material here, the PlayStation logo embroidered, which looks so sick. And then on the inside, you have a very small Sony logo, or no, Cactus Jack logo. And then on the heel, it has a Sony logo. And then on the tongue, I guess this is like, there's 3 logos there. I'm not exactly sure what that stands for, but I think both shoes are the same. On the insole, it's a PlayStation logo. I'll give you guys an overlay shot of that. You'll be able to see it. And the tongue is kind of like in between a dunk and a SB tongue, like it's thinner. So like if you look at this tongue right here, this is like super thick and this one's just not that bad. I like the way that they fit better with that, but it just feels like it's structurally like a softer shoe, probably because it's like a one-off project. If I could have these, oh yeah, the bottom. We have writing on the bottom there. We have PlayStation on this one. I believe this says PlayStation here as well. This one says it in English, and you got like that vintage midsole. I just feel like there's not gonna be many people that get to like showcase this. So you guys should be seeing a lot of footage of these, and like, because these are crazy. So these were revealed in November 2020. There's like a limited giveaway. Oh, only 5 winners were selected. 5 people total were selected, and there's 24 pairs made in existence. Wow. The TS5 is what they're calling it, the TS5. Because we all know they did the merch drop with it. Let's look at the box again though. The box just has that marking on the front, but it's just an inside out orange Nike box that you would find like some older, you can find like just older Nikes in general. It's just an inside out box. But again, this is like a specific project for Travis Scott. So I don't think it was made with like the same materials as like, you know, a regular dunk. It actually seems, it's actually almost very similar to the material on the tongue of this. Kind of like a nubuck. The toe box is a bit different. Now, like I said, Miller and Miller Subscription are ones that sent this out. I want to give you guys a brief rundown of kind of what Miller Subscription does. I've been friends with Miller for a long time now, and he always gets a lot of crazy stuff and does giveaways within his group. Now, this is not paid. This is just a thank you for him sending this box out in order to kind of showcase you guys, because I have to send these back after. But they do daily cash outs, daily Supreme sneaker cause for like steal prices, giveaways. They basically have like monitors and stuff for releases and stuff like that. They get releases that some of the other groups aren't able to get, and so, I mean, obviously this is one, because this is crazy that they have this. So I don't think they're selling this one for steal in the group, but just the access that, I mean, he always is posting crazy stuff. Let's see if I wanted to go buy this right now on StockX, how much it would be. Size 10, $60,000. Well, we're gonna be doing some stuff with these shoes before we have to send them back. We need to take these to like a store and try to sell them or something. I'm excited to see what we can do with these, because this is like one of the rarest shoes we'll ever have in our hand. Shout out again to Miller Subscription. Go ahead and enter that giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. I don't think any other channel on YouTube will have such a crazy unboxing with a mystery box like this. So do not forget to subscribe, leave a like on this video. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.